And in this video, we are assembling the drugstore in the Advent Village series. So I'm going to start by assembling the bottom of my box. For some reason, my glue bottle has been spitting today. I don't know what's making that happen. Okay. So we're just going to make the bottom of this box very basic. Whoops. It's coming undone a little bit. Can't go too fast. You have to give the glue a little bit of time to catch on. There we go. I designed this series with tiered trays in mind so that you can use them in a tiered tray. So very quick and simple. That's the bottom of your box. This is your storefront. Okay, now before we glue this down, we're going to put our pieces in place. And there is just a slight border around all the pieces, so you just want to kind of eyeball that. Okay, this piece is not square, so to look at it, make sure you get it the right way. You can see that it's a little bit wider than it is tall. Okay. Okay, this piece here with that's not straight across. This is your storefront. I'm just going to kind of lay my frosting out to see. Okay. Put my door on. There we are. Okay, and then a window on each of the shorter sides. The back is where you're going to put your number. Okay. So there's nothing too complicated. It goes together pretty quickly. I think the kids could even help you make it, especially older children. But even your younger ones, you could, if they can't put the boxes together, you could let them decorate the panels so that they feel like they're part of it. I'm doing a 12-day calendar because I am going to use mine in my tiered tray, and I don't have enough room in my tiered tray for 24 boxes. Okay, now the top of this is a little bit different. Let me close this up first and then we'll take a look at that. So because I have this top so I've put a tab here, and we'll slide this in. I'll put glue on it. We'll glue the sides and reach inside and glue that tab down, okay? So go ahead and put glue on all 3 sides. Just kind of tuck that in there. Flip it down. See inside here, I'm just going to reach in and put that down. Then I have to take this to the edge of my table. I don't think you can see this, but so I can lay it flat and do the tabs. I have to hang it over the edge because of that piece. And there is our drugstore or general store, whichever one. Oops. Put that in and I push that up. Darn it. And that's number 8 in our Advent series. Thank you for joining me.